Great job, you made it to the last round. In the first stitch, we're going to work the tail for Lola. Before we start, let's place a stitch marker on the second stitch here. That's because the tail might get in the way, making it a bit tricky to spot the stitch later. Let's take down the stitch marker, otherwise it will get too crowded here. Now we're going to start a slip stitch in the first stitch. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull the yarn out, then pull the first loop through the second one. That's a slip stitch. Let's put on a stitch marker here. Then we'll work 4 single crochet into the same stitch here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This section is curling up a bit. Just twist the fabric around like I'm doing to find a comfortable crocheting position. Now, another slip stitch in the stitch. You can fold it like this. Pinch here, pull the first loop through the second one. Now pinch here and then pull tight. Alright, that finishes up the little tail. Now we're going to work on one decrease. Front loop of the second stitch. Then back loop of the third stitch. Next, we'll move on to one single crochet followed by a decrease as a group, and we're going to repeat that group for 4 times, 5 groups in total. Finish off. Now, leave a tail of around 10 inches, cut it and then pull all the way through. You should got a total of 17 stitches in this round.